the last one on the list is really a game changer and something that is completely new that's going to change your workflow, not only in Awin, but also with all sorts of affiliate work. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways you can find high-paying affiliate programs on Awin, because Awin can be a little complicated, a little overwhelming, and in general a little difficult just to figure out what programs are the good ones there. So that's why I'm going to show you 5 ways of doing that right here. So around 1 year ago, I started using Awin, and when I first got access to Awin's dashboard, I felt lost. There was all these programs, there's not many options to really filter and figure out which programs are the right ones, what are the different metrics and all of that. So let's just get into the first one here. That one's gonna help you a lot finding the good programs. So the first one on the list is to go to partner recommendations. So if you go to advertisers and then partner recommendations, well, then you'll find some highlighted programs to check out. And the good thing here is that a lot of these programs you find here is bigger companies and potentially have higher commissions, because that's the challenge on Awin, is that there's so many companies, also some that is local companies, you know, and they might be difficult to really convert or make sense. So that's why this is a good way to it shrink down to just a few options here. And as an example, right now, I can see that there is Nike and there's Alibaba. And one example is that Alibaba US have actually a pretty good performance here when I have a look. So this is one good way to just see, okay, what's going on here, which highlighted programs is there. I think that's really a good place to go. I found a few programs this way, so this is the first one on the list. So the second one is to go to join programs and really try to narrow down your search as much as possible. Because you can actually, if you understand the different things you can choose, then you can actually get it down to something decent, so it's not super overwhelming. So I'm just going to show you here. If you go to advertisers, then join programs, well, then you get here with the full overview. And then first you have all advertisers joined, not joined, invitations pending, suspended, rejected, closed. And where we want to go first is not joined, because we're looking for new. To go down to the payment status, so you can take green and amber as an example. I talked about this in other videos about this payment status. But basically, that's about the ability to pay you, or how long it will take for them to pay, and the process with that. So you choose the green and the amber. Then the product feed can also be a good one to choose, like whether it's yes or no. This depends on what you work with. And then the next thing you can do is to go to the regions. So then as an example, you could take North America, and then you can narrow it down so it's only the US as an example. And the same you could do if it was in Europe. You could choose one country or 2 or 3 countries, and then this way it's really narrowed down to a lot less companies. And then of course there's also the sector where you try to narrow down as much as possible. Before we continue with this list, can you do me one big favor and hit the like and subscribe? That will help me so much with more videos like this. Thank you so much. Also, I've done many other videos about Awin, so check those out if you're interested to know more about Awin and how to have success with that. So with that being said, let's continue with the video. So number 3 on the list, you actually find on the home page. So when you get to the landing page, or when you just log in on Awin, well, then you'll see on the right side, you have like invitations, track commission, today's performance, and then you have here advertiser of the month, offer of the week, editor's pick. And these are actually pretty interesting, and there is some really great offers sometimes. And it's something you shouldn't miss, because I think it's easy to miss because yeah, it's a little hidden, in the corner and everything, but actually there's some really good programs. As an example, right now when I'm looking, there is Advertiser of the Month, which is trip.com. I remember I've used this myself when I had to do a few bookings. I think it's actually really interesting to check out some of these, and also the new advertisers. This is something I think a lot of people miss out on. They don't see this, but actually you can find some good programs here as well. So number 4 on the list is to actually look outside Awin's own website. So what I mean with this is that if you look maybe at your competitors on, let's say, YouTube or other websites, or you just search around and you maybe add like affiliates, so let's say Nike affiliate, or maybe you look at competitors and their content and their links. This way you'll also find programs that is connected to Awin. So this is just another way to find programs that is performing from other content creators as an example. I think this is also very helpful. Sometimes when I watch YouTube videos, I would see in the description different links, and then sometimes that would be Awin. So that can also be a very good way to find, programs from Awin that is actively being used, and is probably being used because they perform. So this can be a really good way to find some good programs that you might not find if you just search inside Awin's own dashboard. So number 5 on the list is to use Claude to find your affiliate programs on Awin. So I actually started using Claude Chrome a lot, and this way Claude can actually go into your browser, log into Awin, and start looking for you what programs are the good ones, which ones performs. You can also tell Claude to go into YouTube and look for other content creators and check out their affiliate links and see which ones are being used and potentially perform and all of that. So I use that a lot now, not only for this, but many other things. I think it's amazing and really changed a lot of my workflow. So this can be really a good way to do it. It's actually pretty easy. I can just show you here. I go here to Claude. I just have the pro, like, you know, the basic subscription for $20 a month. And then I give it access to go into Chrome and also other things, for example, vidIQ and YouTube and all that. And then it just logs in. And of course, I give it some instructions to say, okay, I would like to find programs about personal finance with X EPC and this and that. And this way, you actually have Claude doing the work for you. And I think it's amazing. It really changed my workflow a lot. So really, this is a big recommendation from here. The same applies with many other things where Claude Cowork or Claude Chrome really can do magic and help you with a lot of these. So that was the last one on the list. I hope you found it useful. I hope it gave you a little bit of insight on how to navigate in Awin. Because there's a lot of potential using Awin affiliate programs. There is great commissions to be made if you do it the right way. It's just a matter of understanding how to find the right programs and then of course also make some great content that helps people. So thank you so much for watching. Remember to hit the like and subscribe. That'll help me so much to make more videos like this. Thank you so much and I'll see you again very soon. Bye bye.